my name is Lloyd. Welcome to grade 2. Today, itong PBA ay para sa Filipino, Araling Panlipunan at Math. So, ngayon, pupunta tayo sa grocery. At, oo, ng mga pagkain na sustansya.
Kasi yun yung kailangan ng bahay mo.
At yung mga kailangan din namin.
Paano naman dito na yung Filipino na subject?
Kasi nagsasalita tayo ng Filipino.
At kailangan mo magkala.
At kailangan mo yung magalan sa mga tao. Oo.
At paano mo naman
Math dahil tinipur na rin yung grams at yung kilograms.
ano ba yung bibili natin?
Mga pagkain.
Mga pagkain. Ano ba yung mga kailangan bili ng gulay? Garlic. Ano ba yung kailangan ni Woba sa panluto? Sibuyas? Ano pa?
Carrots.
Ano pa?
Broccoli.
Kaya mo ba?
I think so.
Alam mo kung ilang piraso. Ilang pirasong garlic? Ubus ako siya. Saan yung garlic?
Pero ako gusto mo ako.
Hanapin natin mo yung garlic. Dito ang garlic. Okay. Okay, look for it. Ayan ang garlic. Look for garlic. Oo. Here ko. Doon pa. 2 pieces. 2 pieces. Get mo.
Open it.
Get 2 pieces.
How?
Open it. This is your task.
Okay.
Get 2 pieces yung clean.
Ito. Okay, go in.
Go in.
Help me.
Okay, come.
Ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, sige. Roll mo ngayon. Roll it.
How? No what?
Kikiluin kasi sabihin mo sa akin kung ilang grams. How many grams? And how much is it for? Sige.
Maybe 14 grams.
Okay, sige. Let me see if your guess is correct. 1 point. Ilang grams? 1. Ilang grams? How many grams?
It says it's 1 grams. She won't let me get them because he's too scared.
Oo, dali mo doon. Ikaw magpakila doon. Sige, sige. That's your task.
I'm shy.
It's your task. Ito na kailangan nyo sa school. Tinan mo yung ano nila. Parang mga mura yung what's inside the bag.
Chips.
Kung muna isama yung chips. Just the ones that I want.
Chips.
That's not very healthy. Okay, but tell me yung mga gulay na nabili.
Gulay.
Okay, so tell me, how much is it
It
for?
smells bad.
It's 1 dirham. And how many grams? Kg ba or in grams?
Grams.
Grams? How many grams?
I forgot.
Can you tell by this? It's saying 0.125 grams.
Okay, now this.
Okay, and then ano to? Cat. This is also healthy. 0.235. 1 dirham and 88 pence. No, it's not melon. It's ano, watermelon. No, it's not. Okay, tell me it's
Watermelon.
half a watermelon. And it is 1.000. Mura lang na. Umabot to ng kg, Chloe. Umabot siya ng 1 kg. Did you realize?
Yeah, it's kind of heavy. But I think it's not too heavy.
Oo, pero umabot siya ng
I'm strong enough to carry it.
almost
There's more? No, there's no more.
Okay, so what did you learn? Ayaw mo
Kg.
sa market mo sa
I don't know.
If they ask you to buy something from the store.
Yeah.
In Tagalog,
Ito,
paano ka
Pero sa tingin mo, kung meron nang bibenta doon, paanong in a magalang way are you going to ask for something? Halimbawa, naghahanap ka ng garlic.
Like, saan po yung garlic?
Paano